Windows 10 installation media itself is multi-edition. However, since Windows 8 and later, OEM licenses have been embedded in the UEFI BIOS. And Windows 10 installation media inputs the product keys of these licenses automatically. And while this is good in most cases, for those who have, say, a Windows 10 Home license and they want to upgrade to Windows 10 Pro, if they go ahead and clean install Windows 10 again, it will automatically input the Windows 10 Home product key and they will no longer have Windows 10 Pro. So basically what happens during installation is when you select Install Now, it searches for the product key embedded in the UEFI BIOS and takes you straight to the license agreement screen, and you have no option to select your edition. In contrast, for a system without a embedded product key or a MSDM, you get the option to input a product key, or you can select I don't have a product key, and you can simply select your edition. Okay, so moving to the problem, we've got a system with a Windows 10 Home OEM license, and we've clean installed Windows. And if we go to System, we'll see that the edition is Home. And we want to switch the edition to Pro. So how do we do this? Well, if we right click the Start button and go to Settings, and then Windows Update and Security, and then Activation. Here we can change the product key. And if you've never had Windows 10 Pro activated on your system before, you'll need to use your retail key. So this can be your Windows 7 Pro, Windows 7 Ultimate, Windows 8 Pro, Windows 8.1 Pro, or Windows 10 Pro product key. Now, if you've had Windows 10 Pro installed before and activated, then you can actually go ahead and just input a generic product key. So you've seen when I input the Windows 10 Pro generic product key, I didn't let the install go ahead because this system had never had Windows 10 Pro installed before. But once I've had Windows 10 Pro installed and activated, then it lets it go ahead with this key. And as you can see, it's preparing for the upgrade and it's going to restart the computer. So this is particularly useful if you don't have your Windows 10 Pro product key to hand, or if you don't know what your Windows 10 Pro product key is. Those who were Windows 10 insiders before Windows 10 got released had a free upgrade to Windows 10 Pro, so these people don't have product keys, so they can use the generic product key on the screen. To switch from Windows 8 Home OEM or 8.1 Home OEM to their Windows 10 Pro free upgrade via the Windows Insider preview. Okay, so now we can have a look at System to see if we've got Windows 10 Pro, and then we can have a look at Settings to see if it's activated. So far I've only mentioned Windows 10 Pro, but this process is identical for Windows 10 Education. However, there is a different generic product key for Windows 10 Education, and I'll leave both in the video description.